What's up everyone, today's review is Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Let's get started. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro has many features. You can connect your doorbell with Alexa, then enables announcements to be alerted when your doorbell is pressed or motion is detected. Talk to visitors through compatible Echo devices by saying, "Alexa, talk to the front door." Ring Video Doorbell Pro lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet, and PC. It also sends alerts as soon as motion is detected or when visitors press the doorbell. The device requires hardwired installation to existing doorbell wires, compatible with iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows 10 devices. Monitors your home in 1080 HD video and infrared night vision. Lets you check on your property at any time with live view on demand video. Record all your videos. Review what you missed for up to 60 days. Includes lifetime protection. If your doorbell gets stolen, they'll replace it for free. If you're interested in this product, the link will be on the description below. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.